Guys, in today's video, we're gonna go over a website that can make you earn up to $250 a day just by making logos. And for that, you just gotta follow my easy steps. So as you can see here, the website name is called squadhelp.com. And people come here to buy a name for a company, they come here to buy a domain, or they also come here to buy logos. That's what we're focusing on today. We're gonna start up by creating an account here. So you come here to sign up. You put here all your basic information, and this part here, you're gonna join as a creative or a marketplace seller. Create an account, put the rest of your information here. So this part here is gonna ask you if you want to pay a $10 sign up fee. So if you want to get more jobs, you can pay this fee. But I don't recommend you right now in the beginning to pay this fee because you don't need it. Since I told you we're gonna go focus on logo contests. So just select logo, select sell domain, and update preferences. So get started with marketplace. So here we have the main dashboard here. And we're gonna go over to contest, and we have here active contests. So how does it work on this part? We can see here we have a person looking for a product name for real estate company, and he already have 358 entrants. So you're gonna sign up for a contest. If the customer chooses you, like this one here is looking for a logo, if he chooses you and you win, you get paid $135. So we have two here already looking for a logo. Let's look for the first one. So if you see here, it's gonna pay $135. Let's see what it's about. So it's a healthcare. So by that we know it's a logo for healthcare. He is a recruitment and staffing type of business. The name of the company that we should put on the logo, it's written here, SafePoint Medical Staffing Solutions. We also have the website, and here you can see the rest of the information of how he would like the logo. So he wants here a more bright logo, luxury, and here we have additional details. So please check my website and make sure the colors are in the range. Thank you. Okay, so after this, how are we gonna create a logo? We're gonna go over to canva.com. If you don't have an account for Canva, we're gonna go and sign up real quick. So now that you have created your account on Canva, we're gonna look over for logo designs. So we already have here logo. So we're gonna create a logo. And like I said here, since it's a healthcare, I'm gonna come here and write health care. And we already have here a lot of examples that we can choose from. He said he wants a more luxury, bright logo. Okay, I like this one, so I'm gonna choose this one. And what we can do here. So come back to the instructions. So please check my website and make sure the colors are in range. So we're gonna go over and check the customer's website. So we can see here, you already have a logo here. It's kind of yellowish, greenish logo. So we want the same pattern here. So what we can do, we can make this leaf kind of yellowish, goldish. We also can turn this into green, kind of dark green. Make this a little larger. So the name of the company, SafePoint Medical Staffing Solutions. So you change this SafePoint Very cool. So guys, on this part here, you can use your creativity. You gotta be creative here. You look for what you think is better here. After that, you just save up your logo, download here and save up your logo. Remember, you have 30 days to try Canva Pro. So if you want more tools here, if you want to make some different stuff, you can do a 30-day trial and you can make some better logos. After this, after you have everything, you come back here and you can run from the contest. So we can see also who is already running on this contest. And guys, before we continue, if you like to make money online, subscribe to the channel because I'll be posting out every week ways to make money online. Let's check. So this guy have made 6 entries. Let's check. We can check his profile. So we can see here that he have already won 52 contests. And for that, he got paid $11,000. Let's check another one. This person here already made 73 contests and earned $24,000. So guys, as you can see, it's pretty much basic. So you just go to Canva, you make your logos, and then you make your entry to the contest. And if you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button and stay tuned for the next one.